Can someone comment who gave the ano, the chocolate? Ninang Yushi! Thank you, Ninang Yushi, for the chocolate hills. My ninangs, I love you all. So yun, we have reached 1,000 views. Ah, there's another one! Thank you! Sorry, na-excite ako. Ninang Jelly! Ninang Jelly, thank you so much, Ninang Jelly. Ninang Jelly gave me a stuffed toy kanina. It's like a lion with a sunflower here. And I named it Afron. Yun. Thank you! Oh my God, kinikilig ako. Thank you, Ninang Air. Yaw Pagbot. Thank you, Ninang Air. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. So we've reached 1,300. Ay, kinikilig ako. We reached 1,300 viewers now, and I'm gonna start to sing. Oh, also before I start, I tweeted kanina para if you guys have para may kung may para for a chance rather for a chance for you to get to have like to be mentioned here in my live stream. You can answer my questions sa Twitter account ko. I asked kung ano yung pinaka-proud na moment niyo sa buhay niyo or yung pinaka-impressive na ginawa niyo sa buhay niyo. So you can reply there and I'm gonna like shout out some of those who answered earlier and malay mo baka ma-shoutout kita dito. Thank you for the my ninangs. Ninang JD Lubang. Thank you for the ano, thank you for the Chocolate Hills. Ay, ano? Wait lang. Wait. Ninang Tal. Thank you, Mommy Tal! Kinikilig ako. Ano ba? I know na. Ay! Ay, thank you, Sasta. Thank you, Ninang JD Lubang. Be! Thank you, Ninang Yushi. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy. Ano ba? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Marie. Thank you. Um, thank you. Okay, I have to chill. Ariana Grande mode now. But thank you. Thank you so much. We're at 379,000 diamonds, 248,000 hearts, and 1,300 viewers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Keep tuting the hearts. Jen Rejas, Amski, Maurice, thank you. Ang dami niyong binibigay. Mahal ng, I love you guys! I love you! Yeah. It's your girl, Andrea Grande. Thank you. Thank you for the gifts. The halo-halos is crumbles. Thank you. Okay. Hindi ko kaya yung whistle. Ah! Ah! Baka maano, mabasag yung mga cellphone niyo. Okay. Wait lang. I'm so happy. Kinikilig pa ako. Thank you, Ninang. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mawala yung hairstyle ko. Okay, magsa-start na ako. So, to start, like I said, you can answer sa tweet ko kanina. If you want, go for it. Okay. So the first song I'm gonna sing is Just a Little Bit of Your Heart by Ariana Grande. Ready? Okay. Yeah. 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 Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, you guys. Na-miss ko kayo. I know na nag-live naman ako and nag-guesting naman ako the past few days, but it's still different pag ako yung nagla-livestream kasama kayo. And you know, I miss you guys. So, saya ko, grabe. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Mommy Fel. Thank you, Gitlong. Thank you, Princess Gia. Thank you so much. Yes, masaya ako. Yes, light, naiiyak ako. But kayo kasi pinapakilig niyo ako. Okay, magbabasa muna ako. I love you guys. Na-stress pa ako kanina kasi dumating yung order ko. Sabi ko, Diyos ko po. Alam niyo yung pagkapindot nung start, sinabi ni mommy, "Andiyan na yung order mo." Sabi ko, "Ay!" So yun. So, sabi ko, "I'll be right back." Then yun, kinuha ko yung order ko. But yeah, I'm happy. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sorry na teary-eye ako kasi masyado niyo akong pinapasaya. Okay, thank you. Yung order ko, groceries yun kanina. Groceries para kay mommy. Okay. So, para may topic tayo, I decided to let you guys share with me and sa mga viewers natin tonight kung ano yung proudest moment mo sa buhay mo or the most impressive thing you've done. So, I tweeted this earlier and right now you can still baka for a chance na baka ma-share dito, you can reply to my tweet and i-share ko siyempre sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon. So yun, magsisimula na. Thank you sa Harana! Thank you, Gitlong again. Pray Regidor. Thank you, thank you. Hindi ako iiyak. Those are happy tears. I'm like super happy. Okay, okay. I love you guys. Okay. So, proudest moment or the most impressive thing you've done. Here is at always underscore just DD. My proudest moment was when I became a valedictorian at our school, and I knew that my daddy was very proud of the achievements I received, even though nasa ibang bansa siya. And hanggang ngayon na-maintain ko pa rin ang pagiging consistent honor student ko. Wow, that's so good. Being a valedictorian is no joke. Sobrang hirap niyan and napaka-competitive ng spot na yan. So, that's really good at always underscore just DD. Keep having that drive and determination pagdating sa studies mo. And it's nice. It's so nice to hear na sobrang proud sa'yo ng dad mo. For sure, proud sa'yo yung buong pamilya mo sa mga achievements nyo. So, just keep achieving your dreams, guys. May maraming magiging proud sa inyo. And most of all, maging proud din kayo sa mga sarili nyo dahil kayo ay nag-work hard and in-exert yung efforts nyo sa mga pangarap nyo. Next, at underscore I am Ducky Brown. Me, Ducky. Proudest moment, makitang happy and proud sa akin parents ko. Maramdaman na welcome ako sa isang circle of friends and maging happy sila para sa akin. Yung ipagmalaki nila ako at maging masaya sila sa lahat ng mga nagagawa at na-achieve ko. Yes, it's really important. Sobrang sobrang nakakataba ng puso 'pag sobrang solid ng support system mo sa buhay mo, especially your family, your friends, the friends you trust the most, yung mga importanteng tao sa buhay mo. Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam 'pag nakikita natin, 'pag nakikita natin na sobrang proud sila, tapos like just saying, someone just telling you na, "I'm proud of you," or "You did so well," gano'n. Sobrang sobrang nagpapasaya 'yun sa isang tao. So, be there to support your friends, your families. Kahit just a simple congratulations or I'm proud of you or you did great, it would make their days better talaga. For sure. Trust me. Thank you at I am Becky Brown. Thank you for Regidor Jahazo and for 26. Was that 26? Hi Kuya Jello! Oh my gosh, Kuya Jello! Hi Kuya Jello! Kuya Jello is one of the people who helped me sa Kumu ko dati. So hello Kuya Jello, welcome to my live stream. Sa mga bagong pasok dyan, hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you enjoy today. Walang bantay. Thank you, Kuya Jello. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Walang bantay, meron. Nandito si Daddy. Si Mommy may ginagawa sa baba. Hi everyone. I saw Benji. Hey, Benj. Okay, thank you, Ate Janine, Ruan23. Keep her close. Okay, moving on. Next is at Glyph Celora. Glyph Celora. I'm not sure if that's correct, but at Glyph Celora. Before, I'm so afraid of letting go, and now I've made it. Mabuti na lang ginawa ko. Yeah, that's good. Ang dami kong nalaman puro negatives, but I'm still thankful at least nakalaya na ako. I'm in progress of my peace. That's the only one. That's the only one I want. My peace. Okay, at Glyph Laura, congrats. That's a good thing na you were able to let go. And it's good, 'di ba? Sobrang gaan sa feeling 'pag yung isang bagay na nagbo-bother sa'yo, 'pag i-let go mo 'yun. Sobrang gaan sa feeling, and when you look at the bright side out of those negativities, it just makes you super happy, like genuinely happy. So yeah, I suggest we all have that mindset because that will definitely bring us peace. Thank you, Pray Regidor. Koreana look mo hindi 'pag walang eyeliner, 'pag mayroon para kang Amerikano. Because I told you I'm Americano, right? I'm Mariano. Yeah. Okay, next. Thank you, Pray Residor. Thank you, Rosie T. Thank you, Siap Jeans. CFP Jeans. Thank you. Thank you sa mga nagda-drop, Andy Lodges. Okay, next. Okay. If you guys want to answer, you can just reply to my tweet. Okay. And for those who don't know, I'm Ariana Grande. Yeah. And I'm singing Ariana Grande songs. And but the reason why I asked what your yung sobrang impressive, the reason why I asked for you guys to share with me your proudest moment or the most impressive thing you've done is because I can see Ariana Grande as one of the famous women out there in the industry na wala siyang pake kung anong isip sa kanya ng ibang tao. Sobrang taas ng confidence niya. And I love how she's so vocal about everything. She has a strong personality. So she's like one of the people na I look up to. And she's one of my favorite artists also. I love listening to Ariana Grande. That's why I'm her. Yeah, yeah, I'm her. Okay, next. Hmm. Next is from Queer Rowdy at RKVF1987. Proudest moment is every time I am able to make my parents happy. Nothing can beat that, especially when you work hard to give them what they truly deserve. Yes, yung mga parents natin, simula ng nabuhay tayo or nag-enter tayo sa earth. Simula ng ipinanganak tayo, yung parents, even before na pinanganak tayo, yung parents natin, ang dami na nilang ginawa para sa atin. Like, when we were still in the womb of our moms, like, imagine the pain and yung paghihirap 'pag buntis ka. So, like, we have to I mean, it's not really something na, "Oh, I have to do this for my parents because naghirap sila sa'kin." But because they deserve it. Sobrang I don't know what it's like to be a parent, okay? I have no idea what it's like to be a parent, but seeing my parents work hard, sobrang gusto kong i-give back. Ano ba 'yan, naiyak na naman ako, nakakainis. Thank you, Kuya Rod! 'Di ba may nagbigay pa thank you, Kuya Roddy, sa thank you, Kuya Roddy, sa Malacanang. Tingnan niyo, 'yun. Siyempre tigilan niyo ako sa Enter sa Earth. Sorry na, hindi ko sinasadya. But yeah, I wanna make my parents proud also. Kasi seeing them happy makes me happy, genuinely. Thank you for the harana. Makatabi ko pa si daddy. Si mommy nasa baba eh. Umiyak na rin yun sa baba. Si Tita Liz, umiyak na yun sa baba. Ano ba yung contacts ko? Wait nga lang. Kayo kasi? Joke lang. But yeah, for sure, lahat ng mga tao dyan, you wanna make your parents proud. Trust me. Ayun yung isa sa mga malaking bagay na na pinagmamalaki ng isang anak 'pag nakikita nilang proud yung parents nila. And I can relate. Yeah. Okay. Sorry na, wag din kayo umiyak. Thank you, Keeper Claus. Thank you, Pesky. Thank you, Sia Jeans. Okay. Okay, kanta muna ako. Whew. Masakit umiyak 'pag hindi naman. Parang minamoist pa niya yung contacts ko. I love you guys. Wag kayo umiyak. Sorry. Tina-try kong hindi umiyak.
She knows.
Mahal ko mga magulang. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, lovely Dandy Zamorales, K-Day Brown. Sorry, medyo nawala ako dun. Masyado ako masaya. Dahil sa inyo. Thank you, thank you. Ay! Thank you, lovely Dandy. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Okay, read na tayo ulit. Let's go back to reading, shall we? So, proudest moment or the most impressive thing you've done in your life? This is from at Yani0696284132. My proudest moment is when I retained my grades, and that is because of you. Ay! You changed me, Andy, and I wanna say thank you for inspiring me. Sana makatanggap ako kahit isang congrats lang dahil sa'yo. Congratulations at Seppi_18 at Yani0696284132. Congrats! Aw, I'm so touched. I'm so touched na isa ko sa inspirations mo. Patuloy mo lang yan. Keep up the good work and stay inspired lang. Stay motivated and stay determined. Kaya, hindi ako iiyak. Kaya, congratulations. Yani ba or Seppi? I'm not sure. But congratulations. You deserve it.